Alright, so what I've done here is I've trimmed and cleaned a chicken breast, and I've placed it in between some wax paper, plastic wrap, or you could even use a paper towel, and I'm going to pound it out to one even thickness, and that'll ensure quick, even cooking on the grill. Alright, so we're going to take a mallet, and we're going to pound this out. If you don't have a mallet handy, you can actually use a thick bottomed pot. A soup pot would work just fine. Just want to make sure that you get it all even thickness. Alright, so once you've got it pounded out, I'm going to roll it out. Wrap like that. And then that is ready to be seasoned. You can do a variety of different ways. We're just going to use a little bit of salt, pepper, and olive oil. Crack some black pepper, both sides. Salt. Pour just a little bit of olive oil. Pour a little bit kind of around the board, that way we can get the other side. Shove it in. Make sure you get both sides. Alright, and this is ready to be thrown on the grill. Alright, so today we're going to be making potato and cheese patties, and these are going to go with our grilled chicken breast and steamed broccoli. What we have done already in advance is grate our potatoes that we cooked previously in one of our prep videos. We've peeled the skin off, grated them up on a handheld grater. You could use a microplane if you have that as well, or even throw these in to the food processor on your grater attachment. We've seasoned these really well with salt and pepper, and then now we're going to mix in some shredded cheddar cheese. You could do a variety of cheeses, we're just using one. But for a little bit more depth of flavor, you could add a couple different types of cheese. Put a couple handfuls in here, about a cup's worth of cheese. And then I'm going to drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. And then we're going to form these into patties. So I'm going to get down with a spoon, kind of incorporate the cheese, and we'll start to form these together. You're going to take a little bit into your hands. You want to squish them together. Kind of the same way that you would form any kind of patty. They don't necessarily have to be flat patty shape. You can make them round. They're not going to be all the same shape and size, but you want to keep them relatively in the same ballpark. Just want to squeeze them so that they'll hold together. And you can actually use a little bit of flour in this mixture too, and a little bit of beaten egg, and that'll help to hold them together a little bit as well and give them a little bit of color. I'm going to put those on our baking sheet and continue the process. I haven't been up there in a while, but food is actually pretty good. Alright, we've topped these with a little bit of cheese, sprinkled them with a little bit of olive oil as well. They're ready to go into a 350-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes, maybe a little bit quicker, so you want to keep a close eye on them.